Hey guys, how's everything going? This is JSer. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing fine. In this video, I'm going to solve this number 142 on BFE. Okay, so according to the leetHTML homepage, leetHTML lets you write HTML templates in JavaScript and efficiently render and re-render those templates together with data to create and update the DOM. This video explains pretty well about how it works. Let's take a look at the example. So we import to the HTML render function, and this is a template, the elite HTML template. It's actually kind of like the functional component in React. It accepts some arguments and render the template for HTML written by the tagged templates. This is the standard JavaScript tagged templates, and then we call render and to the container. And this is it's obvious, right? We update the intermediate result to the DOM, and then we can render it again. But actually here, it only updates the name part, so it does not replace the whole DOM, but find the change the parts and update that. The magic happens in the second call of render, which only updates the necessary part. In React, it actually has the virtual DOM. I would say some JSON representation about the DOM tree, so they will traverse through the two objects, the JSON objects, sort of JSON. I would say it's not JSON. And then we traverse through them and find the changed parts and update that part. And here actually it has the render. And this is not the, I would say this is not the DOM, it's just the intermediate template. And when I first rendered these templates to the DOM, actually I will remember that for these DOM elements, this result is used, right? So we can use this we can achieve this by the simple map. And then when we call render again, I will find the previous template, and this is actually the sort of the virtual DOM. And then again we have a new one, so we compare them. But the internal representation is not an object anymore. It actually have these segments. I would say it would be for something like this. It would be something like the array, and we can just compare the array from first element to the last, find the changed parts. And the changed parts we can actually cache. I was not cache, but remember the positions of these changed parts, right? When I say the name is changed, actually we could first process this template and find that the name is actually the child nodes of the diff element. And for this we actually have done something related, a problem called find the corresponding nodes in the identical tree. We can actually store the path, I would say, to these elements, and then I found this is changed, so this name is changed, so I just jump straight to the DOM elements with these the path and update that, right? This is just a rough idea. Okay, the magic happens in the second call render, but there will be a series of problems on BFE leading to that. So here we're asked to implement HTML and render to make above example work without considering the re-render. So the HTML could return the raw HTML string. Wow, it's pretty simple. Let's begin. So for the tagged templates, the first element will be the strings, and then we have these values, right? The name here, and what we do, we just interleave the values to the strings, right? So always the strings will always be one more than the values, and then the values will be first the string, and then the values, and then the string, and then the values at last will be the string. So I will say use the array to hold that. And for let I will traverse through the values. And then I will insert the, I will push the strings and the values in. So sex, I will push strings I, and then at last I will push the strings, that string. Okay, I will pull the I out. And then I push string I. So now I've managed to interleave these values into the strings. And then I will just return the raw string, return the string, sex, join. And for the render, it's so simple. I just modify it with inner HTML. It's just not cool. We will do that, I think, in the following problems, which is not yet. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Hello, Steve. Huh? Wait, what? Huh? I push the values. Dev children, hello. There's no Steve. Okay, this is the values. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. The length. I made a mistake here. Yeah, so this one is simple, I would say. Yeah, hope it helps. See you next time. Bye-bye.